What is socioeconomic status? How can it help you understand people better? What if I tell you that if you were born in a rich family, then you are 10 times more likely to be successful than that of if you were born in a less privileged family? Sounds shocking? In a clearer term, socioeconomic status depends on a combination of variables including occupation, education, income, wealth, and place of residence. Sociologists often use socioeconomic status as a means of predicting behavior. In broader term, socioeconomic status is an economic and social combined total measure of a person's economic and social position in relation to others based on income, education, and occupation. However, socioeconomic status is more commonly used to depict an economic difference in society as a whole. Socioeconomic status is typically broken into three levels: high, middle, and low. To describe the three places a family or an individual may fall in relation to others. Recently, there has been increasing interest from researchers on the subject of economic inequality and its relation to the health of population. Socioeconomic status is an important source of health inequity as there is a very robust positive correlation between socioeconomic status and health. Socioeconomic status in the United States is related to health outcomes. Socioeconomic status on society. Individuals higher in the social hierarchy typically enjoy better health than do those lower in the hierarchy. Low income and education levels have been shown to be strong predictors of a range of physical and mental health problems. These health problems may be due to environmental conditions in living and workspaces, increased levels of stress, lack of access to health care, food scarcity, or poor nutrition. This correlation suggests that it is not only the poor who tend to be sick when everyone else is healthy, but that there is a continual gradient from the top to the bottom of the socio-economic ladder relating status to health. Education in higher socio-economic families is typically stressed as more important both within the household as well as the local community. In poorer areas where food, shelter, and safety are priorities, education often takes a backseat, becomes less of a priority. American youth are particularly at risk for many health and social problems in the United States. Overall, lower socioeconomic status has been linked to chronic stress, heart disease, ulcers, type of 2 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, certain types of cancer, and premature aging. Social class in the United States is a controversial issue having many competing definitions, models, and even disagreements over its very existence. Many Americans believe that in the country there are just three classes: the American rich, the American middle class, the American poor. Most definitions of the social classes in the United States entirely ignore the existence of parallel Black, Hispanic, and minorities communities. Socioeconomic status differences in health have long been associated by many Americans as related to poor impulse control, unhealthy habits, and an overall lack of motivation. One difficulty with this oversimplification is that these attitudes reduce poverty and related problems associated with lower socioeconomic status as a problem with the individual rather than a reflection of complex societal components that contribute to poor health and lower life expectancy. The assumption that individual choices and internal control are enough to overcome the impact of poverty further adds to the difficulty impoverished people have in overcoming economic hardships. Educational, economic, and healthcare inequity within lower socioeconomic status groups have each been shown to correlate with poor health must be addressed in order to create meaningful change in the health of the people. So, what do we learn from this? Society is divided based on different stages of the economic condition among individuals or family. The basic priority for lower socioeconomic status is health and food, not education. It is easier for children born in high socioeconomic status families to become successful, rich, and happy. Individuals' behavior is dependent upon the socioeconomic status they interact with. I hope you have learned something from this video. Share this with your friends as well. Join Inspiration About's YouTube channel now and be a part of the free thinking community. Thank you.